In 3, 2, 1, power up.
And they're off. Wow, right away, Red Alliance scoring some points, but answered back by the Blue Alliance, Team Clutch, and their robot YOLO taking over that blue switch right away. And now our controllers have taken control of their robots, and we're looking at Polaris, the early score for the Red Alliance, owning that switch. Both teams own their switch right now, and it looks like Oscar gonna try for that scale. Red Alliance continuing ownership of that switch, just throwing more power cubes on there, and Oscar is throwing a power cube onto that scale, taking it over for the Red Alliance. That's gonna gain up some points, but look out, because YOLO, being driven by Team Clutch, is trying to balance out that scale, and it looks like they have. That robot is a little wibbly wobbly when it gets high, but that's okay. It's coming down, here we go. Polaris passing cubes through the portal back to their human players. And we've got the Blue Alliance trying to do the same. They're gonna pass some cubes through. Are they gonna use these for bonuses? We will see in a little bit. Right now, the scores are climbing for both teams, with the Blue Alliance with a small but significant lead. It's 110 to 115, and the Blue Alliance has now tipped the scales in their favor. That's gonna increase their points much more rapidly than before. Here we go with Polaris trying to grab another power cube. They're gonna pass it through. Is that their plan? We'll see what happens. We've got power up is being used. Red Alliance has used the levitate power up. That's gonna give them 30 bonus points at the end of the match. Oscar grabbing another power cube. It looks like they want to take over the scale. They want to take over ownership of that scale from the Blue Alliance, but oh, they are rejected by the rim. 30 seconds to go. That train sound means 30 seconds to go, and the Blue Alliance, led by Robot YOLO and Team Clutch, has taken over ownership of that scale, and it looks like that's how it's going to end for the match, as Oscar is gearing up to pull itself up to the boss. Polaris getting on that platform for some bonus points. We got 3, 2, 1 left. Here we go. So close. Oscar was up off of that platform for a short second, but not quite enough. It's a close match. Two robots on both sides. Right now, it looks like the Blue Alliance is going to win this one, but we need to wait for the final scores to really know. And here we go. Who is going to win? The Blue Alliance is our winner. Give it up for the Blue Alliance, guys. 293 was their final score, beating the Red Alliance by just over 60 points. They had 231. Couple teams moving up in the ranks. Looks like Oscar